Okay, so we have 4 kits right here, and I would like to show you first the first one that was so damaged on its box. And yeah, we have here first our this is our GTO or the Gundam The Origin RX-78-2, but in a different color. Yep, I would like to open it first because as you can see the box, yeah, I hope the parts are okay. I hope because yeah, they're okay. Thankfully, they're okay. Yeah, and this is the Gundam The Origin RX-78-2 in a clear colors. Yep, it's for the clear colors. You have here the red. As you can see here, it's nice. It's like candy clear kind of color. And whoa, it also has some glitters on it. So girly. Okay, even the white parts. Yep.